Hi viewers, good morning. This is Andy here. Welcome to English speaking class, guys and girls. Assalamu alaikum. Marhaban sabah. Nice to have now in it. Dear students, today we are going to use of short phrases in Chinese and English and Urdu. Let's begin to learn Chinese. Yao woman and I he. Yao woman I he. Let's speak to learn Chinese. आइए आज के सबक का आगाज करते हैं। Here are my students. The first one is Ni Han Fai. Ni Han Fai. Ni Han Fai. Ni Han Fai. You are very good. Ni Han Fai. You are very good. आप बहुत खूबसूरत हो. Ni Han Fai. You are very good. आप बहुत खूबसूरत हो. Ni Han Fai. You are very good. You see my students. Ni means you and means app. Five means very good. Five means very good. Ni and five, you are very good. आप बहुत खूबसूरत हो. And in Chinese, ni and five, you are very good. आप बहुत खूबसूरत हो. Ni means you, and means आप, five means you, beautiful. You are very beautiful. आप बहुत खूबसूरत हो. And in Chinese, ni and five, let's see the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Ha and yo, 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 ha and yo. He is very hot. Ha and you, ha and you, ha and you. He is very hot. Ha means he, and means this. You means hot. You means hot. Ha and you, ha and you, ha and you, ha and you. You are very hot. He is very hot. He is very hot. Ha means he, and means this. You means hot. And in Chinese, ha and you, ha and you. He is very hot. He is very hot. वो बहुत hot है. He is very hot. वो बहुत hot है. Ha means she, and means this. You means hot. वो बहुत hot है. He is very hot. And in Chinese, ha and you, ha and you, ha and you, ha and you. वो बहुत hot है. And next statement is, you see my student. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina is very polite. Vina बहुत शाइस्ता है. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina is the name and mean is, and Yolima means polite. Yolima, you see here, Yolima is polite. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina is very polite. Vina बहुत शाइस्ता है. Vina बहुत शाइस्ता है. Vina is very polite. And in Chinese, Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina and Yolima. Vina बहुत शाइस्ता है. Let's see the next statement. Next one is Sony Fee Can You How. 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 Sony is very friendly. Sony is very friendly. Sony is the name, and he can mean बहुत. You have, he can you have means दोस्ताना. Sony Fee Can You How. Sony Fee Can You How. Sony is very friendly. Sony is very friendly.